No, you're going to jail. That's what you're doing. All right, you're going to jail for DUI. Go back.
Incident DUI, traffic stop and arrest, agency Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, location Charlotte County, Florida, USA, date undisclosed nighttime stop, outcome subject charged with DUI, FLA, stat, section 316.193, and resisting officer without violence, FLA, stat, section 843.02. Both charges subsequently dropped lack of sufficient evidence.
Hello, miss. Deputy Vasquez, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I stopped you, 86 on a post of 55. Any reason for the speed, ma'am?
There's not. I'm sorry.
Driver's license, insurance, vehicle registration, please.
Sorry, I just recently...
Recently what?
Just getting out of a relationship, so my registration might be with my ex.
Is this your vehicle, ma'am?
This is, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't meaning to go so fast.
Yeah, are you Jessica?
I am.
Okay.
I just leaving from picking some friends up.
I gotcha. Have you had anything to drink or?
No.
Pills?
No. The only pills I have are prescription.
Prescription to you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. When did you last take this one? Or how do you take it?
I take it in the morning.
Oh, just in the morning? Mm-hmm. That's it? Alright, Here you go. So do you have your license or no?
I thought I did. I'm sorry. I just came out to pick up a few friends. I dropped them off and
Okay. So you don't? Is it gonna be in your wallet maybe or?
I don't carry a wallet.
You just throw it in there?
Yeah.
Usually?
I'm sorry.
Okay. And you say you're coming from where?
Where I live on the Key, Minnesota Key.
Oh, Minnesota Key?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I work at Lock and Key.
I gotcha. Alright. So where are you headed to now?
I'm going back home.
Going back home? But you live in Englewood?
Yeah.
You're going the wrong way.
I know. Well, I was gonna go pick a friend up. I'm sorry. I was gonna go pick a friend up, but I'm not.
Where does your friend live? Port Charlotte or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Hi, I'm Sergeant Gale, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. If you can step back over here with us, please. Just want to explain the ticket to you. Okay. Thank you. What's you up to tonight? Except for going a little bit quicker.
Nothing. Just, just drove a few friends home.
Oh, cool. All right. Oh, could you come? No. We just want to just step on over here out of the road. I don't want you in the middle of the road. There we go. Did I see you earlier tonight at a traffic stop? Okay.
No.
All right, because there was a lady who was dressed with I knew she had jeans on. We had another traffic stop where we made an arrest. And a person came up and she was standing like a little bit distance. And it looked like, I said, a basic shirt and pants of yourself. So Deputy Vasquez is finishing up that. So where are your shoes?
They're in the car.
Oh. Were you on the beach today?
I live on the Key.
Oh, cool.
So,
cool.
Yeah.
What key? Minnesota Key or?
Minnesota Key.
Huh.
I work at Lock and Sandbar.
Oh, cool. So where you go if you live out there and work out there?
Just dropping a few friends off.
Oh, nice. Are they in the car?
Nope, just dropping a few friends off.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Cool.
So.
All right. We'll just hang tight 1 second, okay?
Sure.
All right, miss. That's your information back. You gotta make sure you have your driver's license on you next time, okay?
Thank you.
So, so let me explain the citation. So, the citation is gonna be, so you're doing 30 over. There's no fine on here. However, it's amended. However, there's gonna be a mandatory court date, okay? So it's not going to be a criminal infraction, but it is going to be a mandatory court date. Okay. So you have to contact this number over here within 10 days of today's date, and then once you show up to court, they give you the date. Then the judge will set the fine. Smell signal.
Yeah. Because and like I said, I was kind of confused because you said you live on the Key, you work on the Key, but you're driving your friends home, but there's no friends with you. So where are your friends?
No, I just dropped them off that way.
Oh, okay. And then you were going to go turn around. Okay. All right. So.
All right. Now I believe that you're impaired. That's just based on what I'm seeing, based on everything. I can smell alcohol in your breath. Also. All right. So, do you have any medical issues, anything like that? You take insulin?
No.
Anything like that? No?
No.
What kind of medication do you take?
If you want me to hand you those documents. Oh, okay. You don't want to hand me those documents.
I do not.
Okay. All right. Are you willing to perform field sobriety exercises? No?
So do you need somebody to come pick me up?
No,
or-
you're going to jail. That's what you're doing. All right, you're going to jail for DUI.
On your back.
You're going to jail.
Put your other hand behind the back.
Dude, I'm not even like literally resisting. You guys are being
Stop.
ridiculous.
You are.
Yeah, that is resisting. Stop right there.
Put your hand behind your back. Do it right now. You understand me? You're gonna get hurt. Stop.
Kidding me?
Stop.
Are you kidding me?
Once you pull away, man.
Body cameras on you.
Yeah, we do. And it's going to show you acting pretty ridiculous.
What? Ridiculous? How?
Yep. Like you were just resisting, like you were.
Okay. Well, I have to pee.
Well, you can pee at the jail.
Yep.
Or right now.
No, you can do that too. That's not going to help your cause.
What the?
Put your legs up underneath you. Roll over to your side. 27 cents.
Roll on your side.
I don't really want to have to yank you up by your arms, ma'am. Roll over to your side, please. And be a big adult. Thank you.
Be a big adult.
Yes. All right.
Threw me down the ground.
You resisted a police officer.
One.
How?
Okay. That's right. We're not going to. This is a people's court.
Yeah,
You're
we
going
got
to get the
Patterson, the searcher. 1, 2, 3. All right, stand by. Gonna have a female searcher. Okay.
Okay, I have to pee.
Well,
Well, what?
stop turning around on me.
Do I pull my pants down?
No, I don't.
Okay, so I have to pee.
Okay, well, there's no bathrooms here, so you're gonna have to wait.
Yeah. Let me see. Stand by, man.
That looks like overspray from being built.
Could be.
I mean, that's all overspray, so that's not
I'll probably take a picture of that just in case we get a
signal one.
later on. Yeah.
A lot of stuff going on there, guys.
Yeah, I smelled it too.
Yeah, as soon as you, yeah, absolutely, and everything I saw,
So we got a little bit of cash. We'll just have to count and make sure.
we'll do it in front of each other.
Yeah.
Probably have Patterson do the tow sheet for me. That way I can get out of here
Yep. So.
when she gets here. No,
No.
do not. White claw over there.
Yep.
Let me take a picture.
But thank you.
Let me grab my camera
Yep.
just for that, for take pictures.
Okay, you'll get a lawyer. You just call him up tomorrow.
It's going through it, so that's too bad.
Oh yeah. Close
Okay,
that.
so I'm Sergeant Robert Gay. I'm the supervisor here. So,
yeah,
I
you're
saw-
so friendly at first.
right. I
get
was
the
friendly the whole
game. I
time.
get it. I get it. I get
I
the
was
whole
friendly all the time
game.
where you resisted. Okay. When
I
you,
resisted.
Yes,
I did
listen.
not resist.
okay. Well, the definition
Whatever.
of
Off.
resisting is when you pull away from an officer. That's
I
resisting.
didn't pull away.
You know what? You can say what you want. The camera's going to show it, and then the camera's going to show your behavior right now.
I wish.
Okay. It's gonna. We
That's
have
okay.
plenty of cameras here.
That's okay.
Yeah, and it's going to
That's
show
okay.
you how you work, how you're
Oh,
acting.
yeah.
Okay.
'Cause that was
And it's
so...
going to show the White Claw bottles in there, the White Claw cans, the empty White Claw cans in there. So,
Yeah.
yep.
Am I coming up with
Because
this?
I
Oh,
Yep.
gosh.
friends home.
I'm just gonna
Yep.
take some pictures.
No,
Here.
drunk.
You can let go of my
I'm not gonna because you keep pulling it away every time, so I can't trust you to stand here like an adult, like I said earlier.
Oh yeah, because I'm not an adult.
I didn't say
How old
that.
are you? 23? 24? That's it.
More. We got plenty of White Claw in here. We got 3 bottles of White Claw back, 3 cans.
Back here, close to the touch.
One. Again, she did say she was grabbing a friend, but I got a whole empty. There's White Claw all in here.
You can let go of my arm.
No, I will not, because you keep pulling away from me.
Dude, can you hold on to the other one then? Because you're
No.
squeezing the out of that
Well, then
one.
stop pulling away from me.
Okay, can you grab on the other one?
No, you can stand here.
Dude, I have no feeling in that one.
I'm not holding you that hard. Okay,
You
stop.
are. Literally, you are.
Okay, well, when you're an adult and you stand, you don't have to have a police officer hold you.
I am an adult.
You're not acting like one, so.
How's that?
Pulling away, fighting with us, driving drunk.
Dude,
Dude, what? And you think it's funny, that's great.
I think you're funny.
Well, thank you, appreciate it.
Hi, Jessica. I'm Deputy Patterson.
Central 227.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me or stick me? Okay.
Negative 1, negative 1, valid, yep.
Yeah. I just have to pee.
Okay.
Okay, you can let go of me.
I'm not gonna let go of you. I'm just
can-
telling you that right now.
You can let go of me.
I'm not
because she's
going
here.
to. No, I'm not.
Dude,
Sorry.
you're hurting me.
I'm not.
Space the vehicle.
Relax.
You don't have a bra on, Jessica? All right.
So, got 20 here.
I'm a waitress.
20.
Yeah, we just count the
We're
money.
just counting
That's
your money in
That's
front of the
it.
camera.
We gotta count it.
Alright, 25, right? 58 bucks. Count it. But I gotta go to your purse first, make sure there's nothing in there.
Which car is yours? This one?
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So a lot. Thank you.
Give me a late
Yep.
puppy in here.
You can fix their shirt when you get a chance. Don't want any cameras coming.
Yeah.
I think I'm with
Turn on.
Legal basis for stop FLA stat. Section 316.183, unlawful speed subject clocked at 86 miles per hour in a posted 55 miles per hour zone, excess 31 miles per hour over the limit. Wern v. United States 517 US 8061996A. Directly observed traffic violation constitutes sufficient probable cause for a traffic stop regardless of the officer's subjective intent. Stop is constitutionally valid. Mandatory court appearance FLA. Stat. Section 318.19. Any infraction of 30 plus mph over the posted limit requires a mandatory judicial hearing. No fine is assessed at the scene. Judge determines penalty at court. Probable cause totality of circumstances. Illinois vs. Gates 462 US 2131983. Probable cause is not a checklist. It is an overall assessment of everything the officer can observe and reasonably infer. Factors accumulating toward probable cause in this stop: 131 miles per hour over the limit, reckless speed indicating impaired judgment are no driver's license violation of FLA. Stat, section 322.15 minutes, no registration or insurance. Driver unable to provide a consistent account of her destination, direction of travel or passengers. Odor of alcohol detectable on the driver's breath. Multiple open, empty White Claw cans visible in the vehicle. No single factor independently establishes probable cause. Under Illinois v. Gates, all 6 factors evaluated collectively satisfy the totality of circumstances threshold for a DUI investigation and subsequent arrest.
Do you guys understand? I can literally hear everything you're saying. You read. I know. I already know. I know. I know. Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have somebody come get my car?
No, it's getting towed.
It's getting towed. Why is that?
because it's getting to...
Why? Don't I have the option for somebody to come pick it up? Excuse me.
What's that?
Why don't I have the option for somebody to come pick it up?
Where's your friend at?
Excuse me. I live here. I know. What are you looking for, dude? What are you looking for?
Don't worry about it. 27th Century.
I know you don't think I'm a human being, but I am.
No, you are, but we can't pee here in the woods.
Why not?
Because we can't.
DUI investigation legal standard FLA stat section 316.193. A person commits DUI when operating a motor vehicle while under the influence of alcohol to the extent that normal faculties are impaired. Normal faculties is defined broadly under Florida law: ability to see, hear, walk, talk, judge distance, act in emergencies, and perform mental and physical acts of daily life. Impairment of any of these faculties is sufficient. Open container corroborating evidence FLA stat. Section 316.1936. Possession of an open alcoholic beverage container while operating a motor vehicle is a separate non-criminal infraction and independently corroborates the officer's odor observation under gates. Field sobriety exercise is voluntary in Florida FLA. Stat. Section 316.1932. Implied consent. Law implied consent applies to approved chemical or breath tests following a lawful DUI arrest. It does not apply to pre-arrest field sobriety exercises. Refusal of field sobriety exercises carries no criminal penalty, cannot be used as direct evidence of guilt, does not prevent the officer from making a probable cause determination based on all other observable evidence. Resisting officer without violence FLA stat. Section 843.02. Any person who resists, obstructs, or opposes an officer in the lawful execution of legal process without offering violence commits a first-degree misdemeanor. Elements required for Section 843.026 and 843.01 felony or guilt duty. The subject must knowingly resist or obstruct. No violence is offered. If violence is offered, Section 843.01 felony, physically pulling away from an officer's grip satisfies élément heurts. Critical prerequisite: the underlying arrest must be lawful. Probable cause established here under Wen plus Illinois v. Gates satisfies that prerequisite. The resistance converted a single charge stop into a 2-charge arrest. Search incident to arrest, United States versus Robinson, 414 U.S. 2181973. A search of the arrestee's person incident to a lawful custodial arrest requires no warrant and no additional probable cause. It is a categorical Fourth Amendment exception. USA of Force Standard, Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision, not evaluated with the benefit of hindsight. Charges dropped. Constitutional Analysis, Michigan vs. DeFilippo, 443 U.S. 311979. A warrantless arrest made on probable cause, valid at the moment of arrest, is constitutionally sound, even if charges are later dropped or the prosecution fails to obtain a conviction. Two distinct legal thresholds must not be conflated. 1A. Probable cause for arrest officer standard at the scene are proof beyond reasonable doubt, prosecutor standard at trial. Drop charges reflect the second threshold failing, not the first being absent. Assessment, law enforcement. Grade B, legally sound stop, Ren valid PC, Illinois Viz Gates, lawful arrest, DeFilippo, proper cross-gender search protocol, contemporaneous documentation of pre-existing injuries, all constitutionally compliant. Grade reduced from a post-restraint verbal tone, fell short of modern de-escalation standards. Under Graham, Connor force was reasonable, but professional best practice requires measured communication throughout the arrest, including the post-handcuff phase. Assessment, subject grade D. The probable cause cascade was substantially self-generated, speed triggering section 318.19, no documents violating section 322.15, inconsistent statements, physical resistance adding section Barbeitslicher. Each decision compounded the legal exposure. Declining FSEs was legally sound. Physical resistance at the roadside was not. It created a new charge and introduced unnecessary risk. Remedy for a disputed arrest is judicial, not physical. Lessons learned 1 under Illinois v. Gates. Every observable inconsistency contributes to probable cause. Silence protects you. Voluntary statements often do not. Fifth Amendment rights exist precisely for this scenario. FLA Stat, Section 316.1932. Know the distinction. Field sobriety exercises, voluntary, no penalty for refusal. Post-arrest breath test covered by implied consent. Refusal triggers automatic license suspension. Birchfield versus North Dakota, 2016. Physical resistance during a lawful arrest violates Section 843.02 and eliminates any unlawful arrest offence because a citizen may not use physical force to resist even an unlawful arrest in Florida FLA. Stat, Section 776.051. The courthouse is the proper venue for that challenge. If officers act unlawfully, the remedy is Civil 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 civil action for deprivation of rights under colour of state law. That pathway requires documentation and legal process, not roadside resistance. Dropped charges is not equal to unlawful arrest Michigan versus DeFilippo. The prosecutorial decision turns on evidentiary sufficiency at trial. The constitutional validity of the arrest is a separate question resolved at the moment the handcuffs close.